I hope you've watched my previous video. It's about a mini haul of Coach, Shariol, and Pandora. So I'm really excited to use this. This is a Coach watch, but I decided to do a review first before I even use this. And let's find out if this watch is worth buying. Let's also find out how much this watch is. So let's begin. Open this one. The inside is color chocolate brown. And then that's the watch. Let's take a look at what's at the bottom of this. So there is a pull tab here. We're gonna pull this, and then here it is. I think this one is a care booklet. Is this a care booklet? And then it says here that this product has a 2-year limited international warranty, and it says here also that this product is eco-friendly. Okay, so let's put this back and let's take a look at the product itself. Really like the box. It's so simple. It's not that big. It's not too small. So it's just the perfect size. Iba kasi like yung piso ko, it's a very small watch. Pero yung box niya, I think times 3 nito yung lapad nung box. So mahirap din pagdating sa storage. Okay, so this is the watch. Mamaya na natin i-reveal yung price. I will tell you later. I will show you the price at the back of this tag later. So let's remove this first. So it's for casual wear. It's very simple. Wrap is made of genuine leather. I can tell that this one is really made of genuine leather. Actually, pag tinouch mo siya, it's like the same as the strap of, what do you call this, the wristlet of Coach. The first time you use it, yung stiffness na is the same, and then as time goes by and as you use it for many times, it becomes a little bit soft. Of this wristlet, and this wristlet, I got this from Coach, Hong Kong, at I forgot, Sim Shatsui, if I'm not mistaken. So when I first got this, I just observed that it's not too stiff, it's not too squishy or soft, and parang ganito rin kind of leather. I think is almost the same, because when I first got this wristlet, it's the same as this. It's not that shiny, it's not that soft, but now it has become shiny and soft. It's so durable. That's what I like about Coach. The materials that they use are really good quality, and I think that as time goes by, this leather strap will become as smooth as this one. Kasi ngayon, hindi siya talaga, wala siyang shine, hindi siya ganun ka-shiny. Hindi siya shiny at all. I mean, not shiny at all. Unlike this one, makikita mo, there is a sheen on the surface, unlike this one. So, I think as time goes by, it will be as shiny as this one, the surface. Ayan shiny na siya. Dati, hindi naman So, yun din yung expectation ko with this one. So, because ganito yung itsura niya ganito yung itsura the first time I got this. So This one is the leather. The color of the leather is not white. It's actually cream, and then it has light brown stitchings, and then the edges here, the edges have glazing. The hardware is light gold, and it says here, it's written here, it's stainless steel. So at the back, this is what it looks like at the back. Ayan. So nakalagay, it's mercury free. Now I'm going to remove this cover. It's a plastic cover. So now let's take a look at the details. A closer look at the details. So there is the Coach, a logo, and then there are flowers, meron white, may brown, and there's also a combination of brown and white. And doon mismo sa gitna, these flowers are accentuated with gold dots. On camera, it looks as if those flowers are flat. Yung surface na it's parang naka-flat doon sa mismong face ng watch. But actually, those flowers are a bit embossed. Hindi lang masyadong halata pag sa camera, but in person, these flower designs are embossed, a little bit embossed. So at the back, genuine leather, and it says here, ito, yung nakalagay dyan. Ayan, it says here, it is a Coach timepiece. It was crafted with careful attention to detail, function, and performance. It will be with you from this moment on, minute by minute. Wow! So that's it. And so light gold hardware, and then I think meron pa siyang cover dito. Let's try to remove. Ayun. So yung cover niya, there's a cover here. It's not just for the glass. It's also for this part of the watch. So we're going to remove it. Ayan. So you could see a much clearer view of the face of this very simple watch. So now let's take a look at, as I promised you earlier, I'm going to tell you the price of this watch. So the price is 695. So that's 9,000 plus. Okay, so that's the price in Philippine peso. So that's it with this watch. And then yung thickness niya, yung thickness ng watch is this. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. It's an average size, especially for me. I'm petite. I am petite, so I prefer this size. I don't like the very big face when it comes to watch because I'm petite. So let's try this on again. And I'm going to use only this hole. That's it. I'm petite, so this is perfect for me. The size is perfect for me. So that's it, guys. So what do you think now after seeing the review? Do you think that it's worth it? For me, yes, it is worth it for the price of 9,000 pesos or 695 SAR. You can wear this for casual, you can wear this if you want to go to the mall and you want to be wearing relaxed clothes, then it will go perfectly with jeans, with shirt, because it's so casual. It has 2, 4, 6, 8 rows. For petite like me, can use this hole. It's going to be a tight fit if you're going to use this one. So I'd say you should wear or you should use this hole instead of this. It's really pretty. So that's it. Thank you for watching.